Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Alliance Finance Limited is in the spotlight this evening as two of the company's principals were charged on Thursday with various breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act and the Banking Services Act, as well as the Proceeds of Crime Act. The company has, however, responded to the charges, indicating that, to its mind, all financial guidelines have been met. Alliance Finance Management's President Peter Chin and his brother Vice President Robert Chin were charged on Thursday by the Financial Investigation Division FID. They were nabbed for breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act and the Banking Services Act. Alliance Finance and its President Peter Chin were charged with carrying on the business of lending foreign currency without being an authorized dealer. The charges relate to over 20 foreign currency loans totaling about $8 million to various entities. The company, its President Mr. Chin and Vice President Robert Chin were charged for accepting deposits without the requisite license from the Bank of Jamaica. These breaches relate to a series of deposits in excess of $7.5 million over a 3-year period from 2014 to 2017. Alliance Investment Limited was also charged with failure to file threshold transaction reports under the Proceeds of Crime Act. This relates to failing to file cash transactions of or exceeding $15,000 or its equivalent in any other currency to the designated authority, that is, the Chief Technical Director of the Financial Investigations Division FID. The charges were laid after a question and answer session with the Chins. Alliance Finance, in a release, responded to the charges, saying, to the best of its knowledge, Alliance is currently in good standing with all financial guidelines and regulations. Both men are scheduled to appear in court on December 16 to answer to the charges on behalf of the company. Meanwhile, in a release today, the Bank of Jamaica says it has withdrawn the cambio and remittance operating licenses issued to Alliance. The decision took effect today. Now, this means Alliance's 5 branches can no longer buy or sell foreign currency. The company can also no longer offer MoneyGram services. Current holders of the Alliance ePay card will also be affected. They can continue to utilize available balances on their card, but will no longer be able to cash out or top up account balances. The BOJ says this was necessary based on the charges laid by the FID. Let's head to the currency market. It's costing an average $156.26 for $1 $122.19 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $209.26 for the pound, and $179.09 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 1,523 points, while the junior market index lost 10 points. Advancing today were Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Kingston Wharves, Iron Rock Insurance Company, JMB Group 7.5% shares, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. While on the losing side were Margaritaville Turks, JMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Cargo Handlers Limited, Caribbean Cream, and T-Tech. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.